Hello guys, this is Ivan here. We are in live trading with new version REACTOR Scalper V30 Ultra Simple. Ultra Simple means that I simplified this new version, so we have more trades, also very safe. You see Euro USD, we are in trade, and USD JPY here, also in sell. So you see we are in the money today, $1,100 with this, and 1,100 with this. Gold we have minus 27 euros. So let's check what we have new here. Status, everything is here. Expert advisor, so stop loss, take profit, this is all the same. Keltner channel is settings here. You see you can put this filter to true, you see, if you want to be more complex, so more confirmation to trend a trade. Money management, dynamic lot size, increased tolerance 5, much wider tolerance 30, session start increased, not cool down, trade management, break even, and this is very simple. Session and safety, this is the what is here. So break even, everything is here. I will close it for today. So this is completely new product, but REACTOR Scalper V25 is latest. So if you would like to have it, the price is on my web page. But if you own previous version V25, you will get 80% discount. So 80% discount if you have V25. This is not continuation of V25. It is 90%, 95% different system. But to have a bonus, if you have latest V25, you get it at 80% discount. So this is guys, new trendy trader V6, 6 confirmation plus higher time frame trend confirmation filter. We have seen here some functions, risk, so if it makes drawdown 5% or higher, it will stop trading. Or if we'll make 5% target today, or any number you like, also it will stop opening new trades. So let's say you want to make 5% daily of your balance. When it reaches 5%, no more trades. Or opposite, if it has a bad day and make 5% losing trades, it will stop to trade also. Let's see, trendy trader option, core settings, trailing stop, take profit, risk percent, max spread. You must always watch what is the spread. Euro USD is only 1, so you can even put lower. But if the spread is here 10, then it will not open the trade with 9. It will protect you. I advise not to trade with spread that are higher than this number, 7-8%. You have enough pairs which are lower than 9%. So you must choose good broker. We have also here scalping and classic mode. If you have scalping mode, you can change number of scalping trades, 3, 2, 1, 0. This is some confirmations. I will put all, Heiken-Ashi, flat pulse, this one, I will not explain what that is, and buy or sell trend strength. Higher time frame confirmation, you see, if you are on 4-hour time frame, it is good to put a higher time frame 1 day. Maybe if you are here, for example, on 1 hour, then you can put 4-hour confirmation. Or if you are on 15 minutes, you can put 30 minutes. One step over, further, 1 hour confirmation for 30 minutes. Then also you must have confirmations of MA for higher time frame, moving average, RSI. So we need super good confirmations, also ADX and everything here what is in higher time frame will enable super safe entries. News, if you want to use news filter, 30 minutes before or after. Volatility protector during the news or some unexpected things what is happening in the world. Close on the volatility spike, we can put it to true. Profit target, daily 5%, you can put any number, 10%. And when it reach, you have 3 options. One, stop, reduce lot size for further trades, reduce your risk and reduce lot size. Or if you put 0, it would stop trading, or trailing trading. Break even, it's here, 12.5. Also partial close with 15 pips or 50% of your take profit if you want this. Smart lot size, when you win 3 in a row, you can use this. It will multiply your lot size for 10%, or if you lose, it will decrease for 10% your lot size. 3 consecutive wins is needed for this. And what is more important for you, maximal daily drawdown 5%. So if you use expert advisor and you are not here and it makes 5% loss of your account, it will stop to trade. Use dynamic spread, this is something I would not explain you, but it is protecting you that the trader will take high spread traded. So you see, I don't know what is high here, Euro New Zealand 12, 13, it will not take this trade, except it is in average close to 5. This is notifications and other things. So it is available. Also, this is not continuation of any version, especially not of version 1, 2 or 3. If you wanna have it, the price is on my webpage, but if you have bought previous version of any version of Trendy Trader, you can get 80% discounted price. Next few days I will keep it for you. So, what to say? This is two new products. So, what else we have? Also, we have in previous videos I explained new Omega Turbo Trader V27 enhanced, using also high time frame confirmation. You see, this is the same, but this is enhanced filters, volatility, ATR, spread filter, higher time confirmation, 15 minutes. You are now on 1 hour, so you will like to put 4 hours here. Break even, use or not. Smart loss, increase after this, decrease after this. Daily lost maximum 5%. Session filter, this is European, American, and Asian is choppy. I put false. Partial close. So many new added function. Also the same thing. If you have previous version, 80% discount. Because I cannot, I have questions. One customer asked me, I have a version, I don't know what, V21 or 2, can I get this new? We cannot say that this is just average update of some old version. This is more than 70–80% new product. So there is a price, a regular, or if you have any of Omega Turbo Traders, you pay only 20% of price. So, Reactor Scalper. Also we have E-SCALPER, new Elite version. You see. Also we add many different functions here. Let's check it quickly. You see how much I will not explain. We have multi-time confirmation, order blocks, smart money concept, price action patterns. So at least 20–30 new, trade only in the trend, Bollinger Band, ATR, RSI filter, stochastic, MACD filters, overbought, oversold. So this is fully elite version. It is you have also here consecutive wins, increase free, increase after winning trades, or decrease, reduce after loss. So I'm still trying it, working on it, but don't worry. If guys, the new version of Elite will come, let's say V4, you will get for free. It is important that you have this, and all further Elite versions will be for free. So guys, this is for now everything from me. Have a nice evening. Here is evening. If you need any info, explanation, contact me. Bye bye.